And g'day, today we're having a look at this. It's a vented helmet strap mount, and this is a GoPro one, and you can stop the video and have a bit of a quick read if you like, and let's basically get into it. There's not much to look at on the packaging. Just simply open it and, well, test it out. Now I've got the GoPro helmet mount out, as you can see here. To fit it, all you have to do is loop this through the actual helmet, lift this little lever back, and there's a little slot that you can see through there, and you just simply feed the strap into there, pull it through, and then push the other lever back down again, and that locks it in place, and that becomes solid as all heck. And to adjust it, if it does get loose, you just lift the flap up again, pull it through, lock down, and that's it. Now I use these mounts quite a bit, and this isn't the first one I've got. I've got another one over here which is already connected to my helmet. I've got a couple of different helmets, so that's why you need different straps, saves you swapping them all the time. And the mounts just simply snap in position there, and they're quite solid. So overall, I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. It's a lot better than trying to buy those generic ones that are on the market. They're basically a waste of time. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't matter. Either way, leave a comment. You know, I really like comments. You know, you can tell me I'm an absolute twit if you like. I don't care, as long as you comment. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.